Hey guys, so today I'm taking a challenge to just automate the Chrome Dinosaur game, or you can call it the T-Rex game or the no internet game. So let's go to our computer screen. So now I'm here in the computer screen. So to play the T-Rex game, you need to simply type in the search bar Chrome / Dino and hit on enter. This will open the Chrome Dino game. This is not only a simple game but also a fun game. So if you are not good at this game, you will soon be stuck at an obstacle and the game will be over. So as a developer, we will be automating this Chrome Dinosaur game. So to automate it, you can click right click here and click on inspect, or you can go to three dots and click more tools, and here you can find developer tools, or you can simply hit the shortcut key ctrl+shift+I, and here your console will be opened. So here you need to type just a single line of code. Runner is the code which runs the game. So runner dot, now you need to type instance and underscore, now dot game over. So Google has made the game over function for this game. So as a developer, to automate this game, we will be making our own game over function, and this will be nothing but a empty function. There are many ways you can make an empty function in JavaScript, but the easiest is like this. Just hit on equals to and then two round brackets and arrow. You can do it by equals to and the greater than sign. Now the curly brackets. So hit on enter now. Now try to run the game, and when this game starts, you can see our game over function has been executed. So the obstacles are not making the game over. So you can gain unlimited scores through this. Just a one line of code and you are done with it. So that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed our channel Addy's Technical Aid, please do it now, and if you like the video, please hit on the like button, and please guys do share this video with your family and friends. So bye guys, meet you in the next video.